We'll guide you through how to turn on the ringer on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Having the ringer turned on is really convenient because this means when you go and get a phone call, your phone will go and ring and you can easily go and hear it. As well as this, for other notifications, your iPhone will go and make different sounds as well. So we'll guide you through how this can be done. There are two different ways. One is with a button on your phone physically, and another we can actually just go and change on the phone itself. So for the first way, you want to go and locate the volume rockers. You're going to go and find this button here. You want to go and tap and hold it. When you go and do this, it should go and say ring. If you press it again, it'll go and say silent, meaning the ringer is now turned off. So I'm going to go and press it again and it now says ring. Alternatively, you can go and drag down in the top right of your iPhone on the battery and you can go and find the bell icon. And what you can do is if it's highlighted and it's got a cross through it, silent mode's on, meaning the ringer is off. If I go and tap it like so, it'll go and say silent mode off, meaning the ringer is now on. So there we go. Now when you go and get a phone call, a notification or something like that, your phone is now going to go make a sound and you'll easily be able to know. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future. Have a great day and check out the channel for more useful iPhone guides.